How to buy Steam gift card online. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. Say the search bar of any preferred browser either in your mobile device or in your PC, search for buy Steam gift card and give it a search. You will find various of websites dealing with such offers and gift cards. Select any website that you prefer. In here, you will find various of gift card that is verified and valid for the given time period. Just tap on it. You should find the details about the card and also the cost price. If it's fit for you, just go ahead and tap on buy. Right here in the quantity box, you can select number of gift card that you want to purchase. At the bottom, you will see click here to purchase. Go ahead and tap on it. Then it will ask you for a verification. Now once you are verified, you have to enter the email address and password to sign in of the website. Once you are signed in, you have to purchase your Steam gift card using any of the payment methods that you want to use. After that, to redeem the gift card, you have to open the Steam application, or you can even do it from the Steam web browser. Isn't it simple? We hope that this video was helpful to you and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.